The United States dollar will lose its value as more countries will be forced to bypass it. Our country is headed towards autocracy. It is a scary thought, but that's what John Kaiser sees happening in America. In his interview with Kitco, the founder of Kaiser Research Online said that we are losing the freedom to express our ideas, thoughts, and opinions. He said that this trend is common in Russia and China, and America is headed towards that same end. As the biggest companies in the United States suppress our freedom of expression to fit their preferred narrative, their ability to operate according to capitalist principles will diminish, and no business wants that. This filtering of information will eventually destabilize the economy. The Russia-Ukraine conflict is already motivating countries to bypass the US and the US dollar. Kaiser said, and I quote, "The United States dollar will not be used within the China-Russia axis. They are going to fracture the hegemony of the US dollar. It is not an overnight thing. It is not black and white. It is going to be a transitional thing. And I think that is where the real price of gold will flourish." He sees that a lot of Americans are moving towards autocracy or dictatorship as their foundation. When people express an opinion or move towards something inconsistent with what they want, they bash and bully the people who stand in their way. They get them fired from their jobs and excommunicated from social and mass media. If we allow this to continue, investments, businesses, and countries will most likely move to places that will give them the freedom to operate. Any asset native to the United States or that falls under the strong influence of the United States will most likely become unstable. So, the only mobile asset commodity that is a safe haven is physical gold. He also added that crypto will not do, even though many of these cryptocurrencies are outside the government's control. Kaiser said that gold is stored energy, while crypto is an energy liability. Somebody needs to consume electricity to keep all those blockchain transactions going. He further explained that gold is an insurance policy for when chaos breaks out, but that he does not consider it a form of money. Couple this with the strengthening of the economy of the East, and the United States is sure to lag behind. Kaiser said that the whole concept of globalization, which ran everything for the past 30 years, with the United States dollar at the center, is now coming apart. By 2027, China's economy will be almost as big as America's. That is why countries are looking into using currencies alternative to the US dollar. Whether or not our country will turn to autocracy seems inconceivable, but the rise of the East's economic power is undeniable. It is becoming apparent that we cannot just invest in local assets. We need to go global. We need an asset that is geographically and politically agnostic. There is no better asset than gold. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and to continue with our updates, be sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on. This is RiskFlex with Noble Gold News.